Student grade 5.
A small animal that walks very slowly and lives inside a hole.
B. It is a vehicle with two wheels.
Letter C. A big animal that lives on the farm and gives milk.
Letter D. It is an extinct animal.
With letter E. This is a holiday that the protagonist is a rabbit.
Letter F. In this place, they take care of some animals like pigs, rabbits.
Letter G. It is a short green plant. I can see it in a garden or in a forest or field.
It's a place when you get hurt they can help you.
It's cold and delicious.
J. The first one of the year. It's very cold.
K. It is the same than 1,000 meters.
Starts with the L, very acid yellow food.
Letter M. When you write something a wrong letter, then you make a
person that works in a hospital and helps doctors.
Letter O. It is a bigger sea and thousands of sea creatures live here.
It's a root vegetable native to the America.
Is the Q, English musical group of the 17th.
R. It is a flower that women give for St. George's Day. With the S, it's white and fall down from the sky when makes very cold.
T. They are white and small and you can find them inside the mouth.
U. The stars and the planets are inside this enormous place.
B. It has only a few houses. It's smaller than a city or a town.
W. Is the biggest animal that lives in the sea. X. It's a percussion instrument played with two sticks.
with letter Y. This is the calendar. Day 4 is today. Day 5 is tomorrow. And day 3 is... how is it?
That there are many animals.
The letter C. The animal strips black and white.
I wish that me and the kids in my class can see each other again in class very soon.